Hello everyone. Today we are presenting our A1 Details Object Relation Database project for the CSY 2080. Our team code is ASGP12 and our team members are myself Iman Sharma, Krishna Vishwa, Sujal Thapa, Prem Singh Sherpa and Season Bahadur Kuwar, and our modular teacher is Ankit Thapa. In our project, implement our complete objective relational database for the having retailers and the company that manage retails programs, accommodation and case review. We have to implement the 7 relational table with the proper construction on 4 user defined tags and the collection types and 2 PySQL function for procedure and the 2 triggers, 19 test case with the 100% rate pass rate, and our key objective relation features are of array for the storing facilities in accommodation and a nested table for storing the review in details. In this demo we will show you our complete script description, all object relation types and tables, our PySQL function and the procedure, our triggers and object relation queries, our test with a 100% rate. Now I will hand over to Krishna Vishnu, who will present the rest of the database setup.
Thank you, Iman Sharma. Now I will demonstrate our complete script file running from start to finish. So our script file is CSY2093pj1_abc.ucr. As you can see, it runs very smoothly and it is well organized with proper constraints. At the top we have our student name and IDs in the file. There we have the cleanup section that drops existing objects. And next we created our object types and collection. Then we created all the table with the required proper constraints. After that we insert test data with uppercase values for good practice. Then we created PLSQL function and procedures. Then we created our remaining triggers. Finally we run our test case. Now let's execute this script using SQL+. As you can see, the script runs very smoothly. Let's look at the key messages. Now all our types are created. As you can see, all the types are being created. Then after that our table are created. You can see that the table are created. Accommodation style for style categories. Accommodation with the variable for faculties. Settings from retreat location. Retreat with the nested table column. Retreat setting and retreat account in junction tables, accommodation audit for audit logging. All these tables are created. You can see all constraints are also in place. Primary key with pk underscore prefix, foreign key with fk underscore prefix, and check constraint with ck underscore prefix. Our data is inserted with uppercase values for good practice. All the data are inserted with uppercase values. And all our PLSQL routine are created successfully. The script completes with finishing statements showing all objects. Now let me hand over to Sujal Thapa to explain our object types in more details.
Thank you, Krishna Vishnu. I'm Sujal Thapa. Now I'm going to further explain the object types, table, data in details. Now I'll show you our object relation type. Facility underscore object is our object type. Facility it represents single facility item that has name and description. Now, our description. Is name description. Now for the vary part, facility underscore vary. As you can see, facility underscore relation time. This is a variable array. It can hold up to 10 facility object which was varied because order matter and facility are limited. Various can store directly in the table for better performance. Now let's look at the review. Review underscore object is an object type. Review underscore object represents a guest review with review ID, star rating, review title, review description, and review date. Here we can see all of them. And now I'm going to move to nested table part. Review underscore nested table. Nested table. This is a nested table and unbounded collection. We choose nested table for reviews because reviews are unlimited. A popular retreat can have hundreds. Orders doesn't matter for reviews. Nested table are stored separately, which is better for large collection. So to summarize our relation, object relation design, facility underscore object is the object type for facilities. Facility underscore vary is the collection that holds facilities. Review underscore object is the object type of reviews, and review underscore and tab is the collection that holds reviews. Now I'd like to hand over to PM Singh Sherpa to further continue our presentation.
Thank you, Sudhir. Now, I will now demonstrate our PL and SQL function and procedure. First, let's do function. So we have function average rating and function probability score. Function average rating calculates the average rating star for a retreat by looping over its nested table of reviews. For example, retreat 1 has 4 reviews with ratings 5, 4, 5 and 5. The average is 4.65. For function popularity score, function popularity score uses a case statement to classify the retreats. For example, highly popular as an average rating of 4.5, popular as an average rating of equals or more than 3.5. And for those who need attention, they have an average of less than 3.5. Now, retreat 1 is a highly popular with an average rating of 4.65 and 3 plus booking. Now let me show our code procedure. So first procedure and procedure add reviews, procedure check availability, procedure retreat accommodation, procedure retreat settings. Procedure add reviews validates retreat exists using explicit process, checks the rating rates, then appends on the new reviews. Procedure checkability checks if retreat has a link accommodation with rooms. And procedure retreat settings and procedure retreat accommodation add-ons meant to many relationships and prevent duplicates. Now I will hand over to Cesar to demonstrate our triggers.
Thank you, PM Singh Sherpa, for having me. I will now demonstrating you the triggers where objects reads inquiries and takes results. First, two triggers I will be showing you. So let's see the two triggers, and you can see the two triggers from here and update and the selections, where you can write here, see the select triggers and tables names. Next, you can see the select tables, numbers and updates triggers, and it has come either the numbers are not positive. If the numbers were positive, it will be correct. Agree? In next, I am going to show you demonstration of object queries. And here is the object queries, and you can see the object queries right here. where now you can see I am going to show you the result of the faculties accommodations. Yes, and the query is test querying. Next is table review. Query nesting review are right here. Yes, and you can see the query test reviews, and we are doing well, and I'm going very smoothly right here also. So now we are going to show you the final output, our test results. Yes, and here is the all final output results, and it is working perfectly. Yeah, and all 19 days test cases have passed with 100% pass rate. And now I will hand over this to our to Himash Sharma to continue the script.
Thank you, Season Kaur. Now I will conclude our presentation with the key design decision and what we have achieved. Key features are 7 relational table with a proper construction and the relationship, and second one is object relational types like faculty underscore object and comma and faculty underscore array. You can see here, and review underscore object and review nested table. And third one is to POL SQL function name as the fn underscore average underscore rating, and another name is fn underscore popularity score score, and fourth one is procedure with the full exception handling, and fifth one is two triggers for the auditing and the data integrity, and sixth one is 19 test case with the 100% pass rate. And now talk about the key design decision. First one is array for facilities, second one is nested table for the review, third one is uppercase data value, fourth one is cascade construction and the fourth, fifth one is set defined off, sixth one is comprehensive expression and handling, and last one good practice following like a plural table name. As you can see, the accommodation tables which are all in plural and uppercase for the all objective names and data value. A proper construction name like the PK underscore and foreign like FK underscore and etc. Well completed code with the student detail, single student file that runs everything in order, and finishing a statement into very objective. Thank you for watching our presentation. We are happy to answer any question you may have.